Hey guys, this is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. DJI just dropped the Osmo Pocket 4, and this isn't just another incremental update. This is a complete reimagining of what a pocket gimbal camera can do for both content creators and travelers who want to document their adventures with cinematic quality. Let me walk you through what makes the Osmo Pocket 4 a legitimate filmmaking tool that fits in your pocket. The biggest upgrade here is the brand new 1-inch CMOS sensor with 14 stops of dynamic range. Now, what does this mean for you? It means your footage will have significantly better color accuracy, more detailed and cleaner night shots. You're capturing more information in both the highlights and the shadows, which gives you so much more flexibility in post-production. And here's where it gets really exciting. The Pocket 4 now supports 10-bit D-Log professional mode. If you're a filmmaker or someone who loves to color grade, this is huge. D-Log expands your dynamic range even further, giving you that flat, neutral color profile that's perfect for grading. You can recover more highlight information, reduce shadow noise, and create that cinematic look we all chase. And what I love about this is that filmmaking is becoming more accessible. You don't need a massive cinema camera anymore. You've got professional-grade imaging and something that fits in your pocket. And if you know how to color grade, you're going to get insane results out of this thing. They have also drastically improved low-light capability. We're talking about 2 stops better dynamic range in low-light video compared to the Pocket 3 and most smartphone cameras. If you're shooting city landscapes, neon lights, or indoor events with dim lighting, the Pocket 4 will give you cleaner, more detailed footage with less noise. For travelers and content creators who shoot at night, this is a game changer. Your nighttime portraits will remain bright and natural, and you won't have that grainy, muddy look anymore. One of the major reasons you're getting a Pocket 4 isn't just about picture quality, it's about stability. The 3-axis gimbal combined with Active Track 7.0 means your shots will be incredibly smooth even when you're moving fast or dealing with crowds and obstacles. Now with the Osmo Pocket 4, Active Track now works with the 2x optical zoom, which means you can now zoom in and out of your subject while tracking them, compressing the background and adding more cinematic depth to your shots. Whether you're filming people, pets, or even vehicles, the Pocket 4 locks on and doesn't let go. For vloggers and solo creators, the new Face Auto Detect and dynamic framing modes are incredible. You can set up your shot using the rule of thirds or golden spiral, and the gimbal will automatically follow you while keeping you in the perfect position in the frame. It's like having an AI camera operator. Now here's something I've been waiting for: 4K at 240 frames per second slow motion video. If you're familiar with S&Q on Sony cameras or S&F on Canon, you know how powerful slow motion is for storytelling. The Pocket 4 now lets you capture buttery smooth, cinematic slow motion without needing a camera that costs tens of thousands. This is perfect for capturing dynamic scenes like fireworks, sports, dance performances, or even emotional close-ups with smiles, tears, and even falling petals. You can now clearly achieve that dreamy, cinematic look that was previously locked behind high-end gear. Now here's a feature that I think will save a lot of people a lot of time: built-in film tones. The Pocket 4 comes with 6 film tone presets that you can apply straight from the camera. You've got CC film for that Fuji-inspired cool tone, NC film for a classic negative film look, pastel for bright and rosy skin tones, warm tone for rich and saturated colors, movie for cinematic depth, and retro for that nostalgic film mood. If you don't want to color grade later or you need to deliver content fast, you can just pick one of these film tones and shoot. It's perfect for quick turnarounds, especially if you're traveling and posting content on the go. Now, photo resolution has been bumped to 37 megapixels from just 9.4 on the Pocket 3. This is a massive upgrade. It means you can now use the Pocket 4 as a legitimate photography tool, not just a video camera. Whether you're capturing landscapes while traveling or taking detailed product shots, the Pocket 4 delivers rich detail and texture that you can actually use. Now, DJI has also introduced some really smart accessories like the magnetic fill light. This one is really genius. It magnetically attaches to the back of the gimbal lens using pogo pins, and it moves in sync with the gimbal during your shots. You can control the brightness and color temperature directly from the camera or the lights buttons. It's incredibly useful for night shots or detailed shots in dim environments. Now, just keep in mind, the fill light is best used within 2 meters of your subject because the power is limited. But for close-up work, it's perfect. Now, a quick note on the gimbal clamp. I do have one concern, which is this one. The gimbal clamp is okay, but it's not the most convenient to put on or remove, especially if you have a filter attached to the lens. It's functional, but I wish it was a bit easier to use. Now, if you're serious about this, get the Creator Combo. It's a tip. It's a much better value because it includes the DJI Mic 3, which is this one, a magnetic fill light, and a whole lot of accessories like the wide-angle lens, mini tripod, and carrying case. You're essentially getting everything you need to start creating right out of the box. Now, here are my final thoughts about the Osmo Pocket 4. This one is a massive leap forward, if I may say. The combination of a new 1-inch sensor with 14 stops of dynamic range, a 10-bit D-Log-M improved low-light performance, a 4K 240 frames per second slow motion, active track 7.0, built-in film tones, and 37 megapixel photos makes this one of the most capable pocket cameras ever made. Whether you're a content creator who needs cinematic quality on the go, or a traveler who wants to document your adventures with professional-grade footage, the Osmo Pocket 4 delivers. It's fast, it's powerful, and it fits in your pocket. That's it, guys. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you so much for watching at salamat sa panonood. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!